If you followed the setup instructions correctly, you should have a directory on your desktop called project files asp.net. So let's just double click on there. And as you can see, we have a separate folder for each lesson in the series. Let's double click the first folder. And as you can see here, we have a directory called my web folder. So let's just double click that one as well. And in here, we have an assortment of files. The first one we look at is index.html. That's a static HTML page which just presents fixed information to the user. It also uses various other files such as GIFs. The second page we're going to have a look at shortly is called getemployees.asp. Now this one is an active server page and it runs code dynamically on the web server. As we'll see in a moment, what it actually does is to get data from this Access database, employees.mdb, and displays the data in an HTML table in the user's browser. So we'll have a look at that one later. First things first, let's just move up to the parent directory again. I'm going to copy my web folder into the IIS, Microsoft Internet Information Services, web publishing folder. So let's just copy it to the clipboard here. Now, the web publishing folder for IIS is c:/inetpub/www root. Everything you put in this directory will be visible to IIS. So in this directory, I'm going to paste my web folder. And there it goes. Now, the next thing we're going to do is to open up Internet Explorer and run the HTML page via IIS. So let's open up IIS, Internet Explorer. And the URL for the web page is http://localhost/mywebfolder/index.html. So I'll press enter here, and there it is. There's our web page. It's a fairly traditional web page, as you can see. We have a nice border here on the top. On the left-hand side, we have a navigation panel with various links to other pages on my website. The main part of the web page here in the center contains static information, plus, well, there's a picture of me in my back garden. That's me wearing my Wales rugby jersey. And then over here on the right-hand side, I've just provided some additional information for the user and some pictures just to make it all look a little bit more interesting. So that's my web page.